All right, this is how to set up your N8N workflow. Essentially, once you've created the page, you're gonna see something like this. It's gonna be blank. This sits on my subdomain, right? So essentially, you just want to start from scratch, and I'll send you the files that you need. So here it says start from scratch, and then you top right, you can import from file. So you click import from file. You go to downloads, anytime set of files, this one here, and it should be able to import all the workflows for you. Um, Essentially, it is all named already, and so you could carry on from those points. Then you need to set up all of this things. As you can see, let me zoom in a bit. You can see they are all marked with a red arrow there. It means you need to set up credentials for these things. For this one here, for Otter, okay, so it seems like this is broken, right? So this part is broken. Now I know why this happens. Is because this is a self-hosted version. You might need to manually fix this, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec. So let me first connect this. So once you double click on it, you should be able to open it, and then you should be able to create new credentials. Now you need to go to Google to get these credentials, right? So if you have your Google what's it called? Google Console, go to console Google Cloud Console. Sorry, just Google Cloud Console. Okay, so that's there. You should be able to go into one of your services there, projects. You want to go into, let me just use this one here, API and services, credentials, right? You want to get OAuth clients. You want to set up this in your Google Cloud Console. Might be quite interesting to do this, right? So, but key part is this part here. You want to set a callback. You can see this callback URI 4. It's the same in the callback here, right? It's same with the callback here. So you want to go there and set up your callback, and then you want to then copy your client secret. And yes, there are two things that are required: is client ID and client secret, right? Um, so you want to copy your client secret, which is this, and then you want to copy your client ID as well. So once you've copied that, you put them in here, right? And you should be able to, request. So let me just do that quickly with the project I previously had. Just one sec. Let me open up an application where I think I have that saved, and just copy my client ID and client secret from there. Client ID is this one here, and client secret is this one here. I shouldn't be able to sign in with Google, right? Continue. It says connection successful, connection saved. That's all you need to do.